Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and today we'll be checking out the AlphaRex LUXX series LED taillights for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. These taillights are a huge upgrade to the stock TRD OffRoad taillights, as it adds an animated LED light show to the rear of your truck, as well as deletes that dreaded chrome on the stock lights. Now, AlphaRex has 2 different series of lights, one being the Pro and their top end being the LUXX, which are these. The main upgrade on the LUXX over the Pros are the LED Sequential feature and startup, and the included LED bulb for the reverse light. The LUXX also gets you some new color versions. Today we'll be checking out the black version. Doing the honors today is the ZT470. These came well boxed and wrapped with just the lights inside the box. You do have a QR code on the outside of the box with other information like installation and contact us. Taking a look at the lights, they definitely have a blacked out look and just the gray V's for the main LED lights. All the interior background is flat black. They should give a nice stealth look on my Lunar Rock. Flipping the lights around to the business side, you can see that all of the mounting points are metal, both the bolt clips and the press fit posts. Wiring wise, it's very minimal with 2 larger receptacles hanging and the reverse lights being plugged in at the bottom. The overall construction of the rear of the taillights are very well done and not cheaply assembled. Let's go outside and get these installed. You'll just need a 10mm wrench for the install. I'll be installing these on my 2022 TRD OffRoad 4x4 in Lunar Rock. The main reason I started searching for new taillights was the amount of chrome on these stock tails, along with them still being incandescent. My 2022 does have the LED light package, but Toyota decided to only upgrade the headlights and not the taillights. To remove the stock taillights, remove the 2 10mm bolts, the one here at the very bottom and the one second from the top. Now that the taillight is loose, grab the taillight from the top and bottom and pull straight back to release it from the 2 push guides. Now remove the 3 connectors from the stock light. No need to mark them as they're all uniquely different. Installing the AlphaRex tails is just the reverse of the removal. Plug each of the connectors in until you hear a click. Now simply line up the 2 posts on the fender side of the truck and give the taillight a push until it seats into the hole. Now loose fit the 2 10mm bolts and tighten each. Do not over tighten these, just a light snug fit. Remove the wrap and repeat on the other side. Wow. These really set off the look of the Lunar Rock color on my TRD OffRoad. It deletes all of that horrible chrome and gives the lights a nice stealth look. But enough of looking at them just sitting here. Let's turn them on. Well, that's a look at the AlphaRex LUXX LED taillights in black for the 3rd Gen Toyota Tacoma. As always, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. And finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.